In your storefront, we have created UI elements for the AI curator. Let's walk through how to enable them. Looking at your online store, going to Pages, you can see we've automatically created the Shop by Body Shape page. This is where your shoppers will find the quiz and get personalized results for their body shape and proportion. To add this to your site's navigation, click Navigation, click on your main menu, click Add Menu Item, put whatever title you want, go to Pages, Shop by Body Shape, and click Add. Then click Save. To enable the Find Similar and Outfitting elements on your product page, go to Themes, Customize, Product Pages, click on Similar Products, and enable Show Similar Products. Then go back to Sections, click on Outfits, and click Show Outfits. Then hit Save. You will see results for any product in the AI Curator. For products not used by the AI Curator, these sections will be hidden.